Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing your love read. Let's see Gemini, how you're doing, how your person is doing, and what action we can expect in this connection now. And these are general collective readings, Gemini, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. So Gems, let's begin. Let's begin your reading, and a big welcome back to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for being here once again. And if you're new here, Gemini, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Oh my God, Gemini, starting out with a Three of Swords and somebody walking away. Who's this? Okay, newbies, I'm going to be setting down two sets of cards here, okay? One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center we'll have your mutual energies, your dialogue cards, your action cards, etc. But for the duration of this reading, I will be calling one side person A, this side person B. If this is your reading, you'll know which side you belong to, right? All right. Gemini, bottom of my spread, overall energy of this reading is the Queen of Pentacles. Now, this is everybody's idea of a perfect mate. So, if this person is here, then why is there a heartbreak? I'd like to know. All right. Let's keep this here. Let me take a quick look at the cards. Okay. All right, Gems. It seems one person, I think, has walked away from this connection. They were heartbroken. Maybe they were expecting something and that message never came. Maybe there was a third party. I don't know. Whatever happened, this person was quite badly hurt here. And I think they left all this emotional unhappiness behind, and I think they walked off. The other person, they do want to maybe get in touch with person A again. They want to come out of the cold, basically. They want to re-begin, restart this connection because they don't like it. Whatever's happened between the two of you, they want to come out of this place of feeling abandoned or having abandoned, or you guys just being in separation or something like that. Okay, so I'm going to clarify all these cards by and by. First, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys had to say something to each other, Gemini, what that would be. Gemini and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other. That's a lot of cards. One more. Gemini and their person, if they could say something to each other. All right. Let's take a few from here, Gemini. Gemini and their person. Gemini and their person. All right. Good to go, Gemini. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I'm angry with you, but really I'm angry at myself. So, a lot of frustration at this connection not coming back together or coming together. I'm sorry for the mind games I played. I know it was wrong. Missing you so much, we truly did have something special. I bury you with lies. I'm scared to tell you the truth. I really didn't think we were compatible at first. I see that we are now. I tend to look at your social media pages, waiting on signs to connect with you. And the last one here, Gemini says, I miss you so much that it feels like there is a real pain in my chest. I won't show you that though. See, still playing games. Maybe when they were meant to show, they never showed. And now, all right, so let's see, Gems. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. And then we'll go on with this, okay? For Gemini, my angels, blessing, guidance, You found it. Yes, I think you did. Somebody did find their perfect mate. Somebody did find their perfect mate. But what have they done about it? I'm not sure. I don't think enough, because it's pushed the other person to walk away. So, and maybe the other person also had to learn a lesson. The person who's walked away, maybe they've learned self-worth, or, to love themselves first, or something like that. So there's been a lesson involved in this connection. That's the reason I think you guys came together. All right. So I'm going to start, gems, with the energies of person A. Let's see what person A is going through. Then we'll go to the other side. So why is person A so heartbroken, Spirit? Three of Swords. Three of Swords. And the Eight of Cups. Just a second. Let me switch my phone off. Okay. All right. Sorry. Yes, gems, what happened here is I think when you guys met, there was a great friendship. You guys, at least person A felt that this is my soulmate. I've known this person forever and ever, and it expected that this connection would really come together in a good way. But they soon realized that their person was playing mind games with them. They were just wanting to win, and maybe, like they said, bury you with lies, or never give them enough attention. Let me just adjust my camera a little bit. Yeah, never give them enough attention, and that really stressed out person A a lot. They were always left by themselves wondering, what's happening here? What's happening? And all this stress and tension, I think, caused them to have a heartbreak. Maybe because person B, they felt, was pulled in two different directions, or they felt they were being juggled. Maybe that's how they felt, that person B was probably emotionally using them or manipulating them in some way, where they had another option maybe, or they were just keeping them up in the air and never really committing, something like that, which caused, I think, person A to finally leave this connection, and with a broken heart, heavy heart, this person kind of walked away. Enough, I can't deal with so much of back and forth energy. So what happened, Spirit, in the recent past for person A to be feeling this way? I think that they did want to have victory. They did feel, oh my God, I found it. I found it. I found my one. This is the one. Yes, this is what. Okay, so person A really felt that they were going to have victory this time. This is my person. I'm very happy with this person. I see a future with this person. But unfortunately, I think that offer never came. That offer was not made by person B, or they were always left guessing, or they always felt like abandoned and neglected half the time. It never fructified to, yes, I think person B started to go inwards more and start listening to their intuition. What is happening here? Why do I always feel on the outside? I think there could have been a talk regarding this as well. A lot of disturbances in your reading, Gemini. Maybe that's what happened in your connection as well. Yeah, right? Each time you guys kind of did come together, there was either somebody else in the mix, or something or the other kept disturbing this connection, because I do feel that this connection had just started off really well. Passionate, new beginning, and I think person A wanted to know the answers as to what's happening here. What's happening? Like, where are we going? But I don't think they were reciprocated. Am I right, Spirit? What happened here? What happened? Yes, there could have been a third party. Maybe person B was giving to two, or just breadcrumbing them. I have too many threes here. Three of Pentacles, six of Pentacles. One person giving to two, so three people here, three people here. I think person A finally, I think, got smart and said, hey, enough is enough. If you're going to play me like this, even though I feel a very strong connection with you, even though I do see a future with you, I have no choice. I think the person A is the one who found their self-respect, and they walked away. So how does person A now see this connection, Spirit? Justice and the Three of Wands. What's this Justice card, Spirit? What's this Justice card? I think person A after that went within. They started to kind of understand what part they had played maybe in the connection. Maybe they were too over-loving, over-kind, over-sweet, or just kind of pouring into this connection whilst getting nothing really back, right? So I think now person A has decided the right thing for me to do is, I think, go into self-care. I have to heal from this, and I'm going to cut down communication. It's best that I, keep to myself instead of always giving to a connection which is never going to give back to me. I think person A has gone into total self-preservation mode as the Hermit with the Two of Cups, Temperance, not really communicating much, into self-care, and they're trying to bring back justice in their own life, and maybe even trying to see what else is out there, trying to see if, this connection hasn't worked out, then maybe, yeah, there is something else, or maybe there is, I don't know, let's see. Yeah, they don't want to return back to a place which is not going to give them long-term stability. Even though I think there is still love here, there is still love here. There is love here. But they don't want to get stuck in a place which is never going to be stable. So what's this Three of Wands, Spirit? What are they waiting for? What are they waiting for? They do love person B, but at the moment, I don't think they're ready to give them any new chances or anything like that, because they feel it's not going to go anywhere. At the moment, I think person A is turning their back on this connection, trying to see what else is out there. The love was there, but I don't think they want to chance their heart again. It's already been broken very badly. Okay, so what action they will finally take, I'll open later, Gemini. I'm going to go on to the other side and see what's happening here. Person B has the Page of Wands. Why is that, Spirit? Yes, they want to put an end to whatever happened in the past. Can we begin again? Can we transform this connection as let's begin again from scratch? They now want to make that decision. Maybe till now they've been pulled in two different directions. Person A was right. They never kind of committed. They were always in limbo, in no man's land. Maybe I want you, maybe I don't, maybe I like this one, maybe I like that one. But now they're in this mode. They know what is their right choice, right decision. They want to start anew, and they want to come out of this feeling of, both of you feeling abandoned and lost. They're a little confused how to do it right now, because they feel now if they come towards person A, they'll be rejected. Because till now, I think they've broken all promises. They know they've broken all promises, and they kind of fear that they'll be rejected now. So there's a bit of confusion as to how to bring about this transformation. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? Queen of Wands in reverse. So yes, there could have been another person. There could have been another person, yes. Or maybe they just wanted to stay single, and they had their eye on more than one person. Now they feel that was a really foolish move. They are feeling very foolish about their own behavior. Chariot. What's this, Chariot? Yes. One more. Yes, this person knew. They had a lot of passion for person A, I feel, but somewhere they they treated person A like just a passionate encounter. Like they had a lot of passion, they did want to move towards person A, but they didn't give this Empress the respect that could have led to this Ten of Cups. Heart of Hearts, this King of Wands knew. They knew that this Empress is the one who really makes me happy. Maybe they did come forward many times as well, but they came more with a self-centered or self-focused energy. Like they liked the attention, they liked the time spent, it made them very happy, they felt emotionally very good, but they didn't take this Empress's feelings into account. Maybe somebody here disrespected an Empress. So how does person B now feel about this connection? High Priestess. They feel there's a bit of silence between the two of you. Both of you are keeping secrets now. Neither of you are really opening up towards the other person. I think there's a lot of retreat going on separately. Person B feels that person A is a bit quiet these days, maybe taken a step back from this connection, no longer, behaving the way maybe they behaved in the past. There's a lot of stagnancy in this connection. How else, Spirit? Yes, they do want to show up now in the correct light. They want to now come back as the King of Pentacles to say, hey, I'm ready now and I can take charge of this. But the only reason they're doing it because A, they recognize, and B, they know who they want now. They don't want either of you to go through any more sleepless nights. This person B has a lot of regret for whatever has happened between the two of you, Gemini. They do look back in the past and look at these 3 cups, again a reference to 3. We spilt through the ground, and they look at it and say, what a fool I was. All I had to do was that time also just turn around, and there were 2 full cups available for me, and now all I can do is look at the 3 cups which are of no use to me. Right? There's a lot of regret, sorrow, upset. Why are they so upset, Spirit? Because now the clarity has come. Now they're crystal clear about who their actual choice is, was, always. So let's see actions now. What action will person A take, Spirit? Okay, sorry, I was wondering where the angel card went. Okay, here. Okay, so what action will person A take, Spirit, towards person B? Page of Swords in reverse. Why is that? Why is that an action? Oops. Person A is telling me that, I do feel a strong attraction towards person B, but I find their behavior very immature, especially when it comes to relationships. Yes, they could be very handsome, intelligent, wise, they could be very good with their business, I respect them, all that is there, but when it comes to emotional maturity, this person doesn't make very wise choices, and I'm really not even sure whether I want to be in any competition. I don't even want to fight for this connection anymore. So that's it, person A. Yes, person A, that came out really swift, didn't it? Person A has become really strong now. They found, this card said, you found it. Yes, this person has found their strength. They're holding back. Nobody is going to treat an Empress bad and get away with it. Not even you, person B. That's what person A is saying. Because I do love you, I respect you, I cared for you, and I in my heart knew that we are soulmates, but you disrespected me. So I'm holding back now. Person B, what about you? Will you take any action? 5 of Wands. Why is that an action, Spirit? Why is that an action? Once again, why is that an action? 5 of Wands. Person B wants to fight for this connection. Yes, they want to fight for this connection. If they feel there is any competition around person A, they want to fight for one more time. I'm not going to give up. I need one more chance here. One more chance. I'm ready to fight for you if I have to. I'm ready to start from scratch. Am I right, Spirit? Will they take any action? Will they take any action? Yes, they are very, very scared they're going to lose out on a soulmate. This person wants to come as the emperor to the empress now, and they want to now be the person that they should have been long time ago. This common theme is there, I think, with Libra as well. Suddenly, I think people are ascending and, knowing what should have been done, at least trying to make an effort to rectify it. So that's all I have for you, Gemini. Hope it worked for you. Yeah, this card just popped out again, bottom of my deck, same card. Yes, they want to fight for this connection. They have a lot of passion for person A. They've been feeling very, very bored, sad, and they are wondering, kicking themselves, why didn't I see this offer before? It was a gift from the heavens straight to me, and here I was looking at all these other three, four cups. Now I think this person wants to come and apologize. Person A, they want to open up. They don't want to hold back any longer, and they want to now leave all conflicts behind and find peace with person A. So let's see what's going to happen. See you soon next time. Love and light. Take care. Namaste, Gemini.